Hi everyone, this is Ilir with 360 House Remodeling, and today we're in the beautiful city of Mill Creek. I'm going to show you how this bathroom turned out. Let's take a look. This is a full bathroom remodel. We built a custom walk-in shower with a built-in bench and a beautiful niche with hexagon tiles matching the floor tiles. We removed the old built-in tub and replaced it with a freestanding tub. We also installed heated floors that you can control right from your phone. To finish the space, we replaced the old vanity with a new modern vanity and added a smart toilet. If you're planning a bathroom remodel, reach out and we'll walk you through the remodeling process.